channel. My name is Abby if you are new. By the title of this video, you already know what's up. We are doing a hair growth challenge for the month of May. This isn't just your ordinary hair growth challenge, okay? I'm going to be using 2 specific products every single wash day to see how well my hair does and how much it grows in just 1 month. The products that I'll be using for my wash days for the entire month of May are by Bomba Curls, and this is actually the Grow with Bomba challenge, where I'll be using their forbidden oil and their forbidden hair mask to enhance my hair growth, pretty much. If you've never heard about Bomba Curls, then this is the perfect video for you because I got the deets and you got the ears, okay? Bomba Curls is a Dominican Afro-Latina owned brand. All my Dominicans stand up. The fact that the owner is an Afro-Latina just like me, who once struggled to find products that work well for her hair and accepting her hair, like, it was just so easy for me to want to be a part of this challenge. Bomba Curls products are all green, toxin-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, drying alcohol-free. The ingredients that are in these products are ingredients that we don't typically find in our natural hair products. They're infused with things like coffee, pistachio, cinnamon. They're just thebomb.com, okay? So this is the Dominican Forbidden Oil, and it is infused with coffee and castor oil. I loved using this product for my pre-poo because it just helped my hair become so much more moisturized before the shampooing process. You have no idea. The first thing that caught my attention was the fact that it is infused with coffee, so it smells like pure coffee bean. And I've never actually heard of coffee being an ingredient inside natural hair products, but what I learned is that coffee is like a natural wake-up call to our follicles. You know, it helps our follicles kind of just get ready to go through that moisture and hydration process. Then I followed up by using the hair mask. When I first used the hair mask, I thought that it was gonna be a very thick product that kind of just sits on my hair, and I was completely wrong. Immediately after warming it up in my hands and putting it in my hair, like, when I'm telling y'all, my hair drank this product up. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Okay. See, this is that thing, man. Like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? My hair drank this thing up. You would think because it doesn't come out of the container, and it's like, it's not as thick as it seems. Like the product itself is like a pudding, but then when you put it into the hair, it melts like a serum. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. For a long time, I've struggled with retaining moisture in my hair and having my hair look like it's moisturized. A lot of times my hair looks very dry and it doesn't look like it has any moisture or any hydration in it, you know. With this challenge, I not only hope to get some length with my hair, but I'm also hoping to be able to have some retention with moisture and hydration, and hopefully these products will be able to do that. I know already from the first time using it that my wash day was very successful. Like, when I'm telling y'all, my hair was clumped, okay, looked nice. It was just really, really good. Let's do a quick blend check to see where my hair is. In the front, I'm really excited to take on this challenge because I just feel like it's gonna be so good, and I resonate so much with the brand and the mission behind the brand that it just makes it so much more easier for me to want to be a part of this challenge. Make sure that you are subscribed because I will be giving you guys my 30-day results in a future video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.